Right now, yeah, it's been fairly heavy rain out there. Here's a live view of our Grand Rapids Skycam, still holding a rain-cooled 69 degrees. And this is really the key, folks, the clouds. Can we get them out this afternoon? And Terry's going to have more on that potential severe weather later on today in just a moment. But first things first, it's raining out there, and the heaviest so far has been south of the Grand Rapids area. Still raining up around Grand Rapids. You can see it's a little bit lighter the farther north you go, such as Fremont, heavier off to the south. Right now, tracking this line of showers and thunderstorms, which is not severe. We did have a severe thunderstorm warning earlier for Allegan County that has long been since canceled. But as this line of thunderstorms moves east, about 30 to 40 mile an hour winds certainly possible. Heavy rain over areas that have already received the heavy rain, along with a lot of cloud to ground lightning. And tracking that eastward, we're looking at Kalamazoo about 12:20ish, Battle Creek just prior to 1 o'clock, maybe a little bit before that. Vicksburg about 12:36. Here's a look at the heavy rain that's been falling, and I tell you what, folks, it's a lot better than what they had on the other side of the lake. Yeah, that's 4 to 7 inches of rain, and most of that has fallen since about 2 a.m. last night. So they're having major issues with the flooding. It's so close to us, but so far we've had about 1 to 2 inches in many areas south of Grand Rapids. We'll add on to more of that, but I don't think we're going to see a great deal more, maybe another inch or two right on through the rest of today. Now, it really depends on how much sunshine we get this afternoon in terms of how much more severe weather, the potential, how that increases. Terry's got more on that.
Well, that's right, Matt. And the big story here is how much sunshine do we see? Here is a look at Storm Track Live radar. We actually end up plotting the cloud cover on top of this and expanding the view regionally. And you'll see back to our west where we get this huge area where the clouds are missing. That's sunshine. That sunshine will help to heat us up, and the heat will help to further destabilize the atmosphere. Check out these temperatures. We're at 70 with the rain-cooled air in Grand Rapids, 75 South Bend, 70 Chicago, 76 Madison, 88 upstream in central and southern Minnesota. So once again, we're looking at that hot air, the humid air to build into West Michigan, which will really help to destabilize the atmosphere. Again, for now anyway, we're holding on to the warm and muggy conditions this afternoon. But once again, we do have a slight risk area for severe weather throughout the entire Great Lakes region as we head through, especially the hours after about 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon. What are the primary threats? Well, more heavy rain. We certainly have had that already. A medium chance of seeing some severe wind gusts and also some large hail. And there's a low risk, not zero, of seeing an isolated tornado. And again, round number 2 of those strong thunderstorms firing up as the sunshine warms up the atmosphere, and that will be after about 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon. Ellen Baca and Kyle Underwood will be here in the tracking center.